As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Ethereum cost will hit $2,000 by the center of 2023, and afterward $5,000 toward the finish of 2030. Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,704.82. So the cost expanded by 43% from the start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,728, and the year-to-year change plus 129%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 60%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,222 per one Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,648. In the last part, the cost would add $138 and close the year at $2,786, which is plus 63% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Wednesday, blemish 15, $1,710. Thursday, blemish 16, $1,714. Friday, blemish 17, $1,719. Saturday, blemish 18, $1,724. Sunday, blemish 19, $1,729. Monday, blemish 20, $1,734. Tuesday, blemish 21, $1,738. Wednesday, blemish 22, $1,743. April 15, $1,858. May 15, $2,002. June 15, $2,150. July 15, $2,263. August 15, $2,349. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,786 to $4,553, which is up 63%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,786, then dip to $2,412 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $2,659. That implies plus 56% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,553 to $7,092, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,553, then, at that point, take off to $4,826 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,013. It is about plus 194% from today. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,551.82, so the cost expanded by 30% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,919, and the year-to-year change plus 61%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 24%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,810 per one Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,942. In the last part, the cost would add $437 and close the year at $2,379, which is plus 53% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,379 to $3,633, which is up 53%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,379, then, at that point, take off to $2,740 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $2,537. That implies plus 63% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,633 to $4,621, which is plus 27%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,633, then dip to $3,415 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $3,607. It is about plus 132% from today. 2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,582.76. So the cost expanded by 33% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,000, and the year-to-year change plus 68%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 26%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,886 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,024. In the last part, the cost would add $455 and close the year at $2,479, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,479 to $3,786, which is up 53%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,479, then take off to $2,856 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $2,645. That implies plus 67% from today. Ethereum forecasts 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,786 to $4,816, which is plus 27%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,786, then, at that point, dip to $3,559 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $3,759. It is about plus 137% from today. 1/15/2023 Ethereum value expectation. 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,528.51. So the cost expanded by 28% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,618, and the year-to-year change plus 36%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 6%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,667 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,703. In the final part, the cost would lose $229 and close the year at $1,474, which is 4% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,474 to $3,132, which is up 112%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,474, then take off to $1,625 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $1,869. That implies plus 22%